Hello everyone, I am Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC coming at you with the Billetproof Clutch Baskets from Hinson. All right everyone, so today we are taking a closer look at the Billetproof Clutch Baskets coming from Hinson. So Hinson, these guys have a long history in the sport, definitely have a reputation for making some of the highest quality clutch components that are out there. Now with the Billetproof Clutch Basket, these are going to be a little bit more expensive than just your stock OEM clutch baskets. And I know there's a lot of riders out there that think these are just an exact replica of your stock basket, but they just have a hard coating on there. But that is definitely not the case. And if you ask me, these are a great investment worth making, whether your clutch basket that you have now is worn out, it's time to get a new one in there, or maybe just looking to upgrade the clutch basket you have, these are a great choice. So to start out, let's talk about what makes these so great. So first of all, they're made from billet T6 aluminum and they have extremely tight tolerances. So I know that with Hinson, these guys do a lot of R&D. They make sure that their specs are very, very tight. And also, it's not going to be hard anodized. That's actually a misconception a lot of people have with their clutch baskets. Instead, what Hinson actually does is called acodized. So it's actually a process that Hinson owns the rights to. So instead of a hard anodized coating, it's an acodized coating, and they say that it's going to be stronger than anodized. And what's nice about that is Hinson says that these are actually going to last up to 5 times longer than just your traditional OEM clutch baskets. So when I talk about that investment, is it worth making? You just got to remember that ultimately, these are most likely going to pay for themselves in the long run. Now the reason that hard coating is so nice to have is, I will give you an example. So I've actually got a stock clutch basket right here. This is actually from an 18 RMZ 450. And the stock clutch baskets are just gonna be softer, so they're gonna wear quicker. And you can see, you have these fingers on the basket, and you can see right here, you see these marks. So these marks are actually coming from your friction plates as they start to drive and turn the clutch. So eventually these are gonna start to notch out. Now this basket only has about 15 hours on it, so it's still in good shape, but you can see where those notches will start to form. And as those notches get worse, well, what happens is your clutch will start to feel sticky, a little grabby, and it's really just not gonna perform and feel as good as you want it to. So having that acodized coating on there is gonna give you a much longer wear, so you're not gonna get that notching on those fingers. Now going along with that wear characteristics you're getting with that acodized coating, it's also gonna be smoother than what you're gonna get with your stock basket. So that smoother coating is just gonna give a more positive clutch feel. It's just gonna be smoother for you. So again, overall, just longer life and better performance. Now another thing we got to keep in mind when it comes to a clutch basket is that ultimately with any clutch on any motorcycle, the goal is you want to have as much oil flow in the clutch as possible, and you want to keep it there. That's going to promote better cooling with heat dissipation. That's going to prolong the life of your plates and just really all your clutch components. So I know a lot of riders out there with the baskets, they think, it's just a stock basket, and they just put that hard coating on there and you're getting the exact same thing you would with stock. That is not the case, and I have proof of it, because right here, this is the Hinson clutch basket that they have for that 18 RMZ 450, and you can see the stock basket. So you can see they actually have cutouts on the top of those fingers. Now they've done that after a lot of research, a lot of R&D, because they know that those cutouts are just going to promote better oil flow inside the clutch. It's going to help it keep it in there and circulating. And again, it's just adding to that life and the performance of your clutch. So if you're asking yourself, is it worth the money? Is it worth the investment? In my opinion, like I said earlier, absolutely, because you're going to get a lot more life and just a lot more performance out of their clutch components. If you want to go all out, we do have other Hinson clutch components available. We also have their full clutch kits where it comes with everything you need to completely replace your clutch. So you're going to come with the clutch basket, your center hub, your pressure plate, new springs, as well as your friction and your drive plates. But if you want to go with just the basket, again, it's a great investment. But keep in mind, we have just the friction and drive plates from Hinson. We also have a couple different options for Tusk. You can see this is our competition clutch kit. So that will come with your friction plates, your drive plates, as well as different springs. They're going to be about 10% stiffer than your OEM springs. Now keep in mind, when it comes to install with these, it's really not that bad. They're going to come with instructions, but one thing you want to remember is that for specific models, your stock basket is actually going to have the primary drive gear on the back, and it's going to be held on with rivets. Now, if this is how your clutch basket comes stock, you're going to need to get these rivets off. So you're going to either have to grind them or drill them out. So you're going to need a grinder or a drill to do that. Just keep that in mind. But also, we do have a how-to video where we actually show you how you can get these rivets off. Like I said, it's really not that bad. You just got to take your time and be careful. But once you have that primary gear off, you're just going to put it onto the clutch basket from Hinson. And what's nice about these is they're not held on with rivets. They're actually just going to come with these bolts. So you just take these off, put the gear on, and then replace those. You just want to see right here with this yellow sticker or this orange sticker, you want to make sure that you're using red Loctite when you're putting those bolts back in. But other than that, pretty straightforward, not a difficult process. And there you go. That is the billet-proof clutch basket coming from Hinson. Again, using that anodized finish is going to add to the performance and the life of your clutch. If you guys have any questions about these, you can comment below, give us a call, or chat live online. And I want to know if you're rocking some billet-proof aluminum parts coming from Hinson. Comment below, what do you guys like about it? Tell us about your experiences. That's really going to help other riders out who are thinking about making that investment. Remember to pick yours up. You can click on the link or head over to our website at RockyMountainATVMC.com. These are machine specific, so it's very important when you're looking at these, enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike, and you will be good to go. Orders over $75, ship free. And if you guys like this product spotlight, want to see more like it, well, just make sure to click and subscribe. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain. I'm going to see you on the trails.